As I was saying, that most of the people are impressed by the Western knowledge. If we analyze, I do agree that the Western knowledge in terms of science and technology, it is improving. But where it comes to morality, to modesty, sobriety, it's declining. And when we read this Western education, when you take knowledge from the Western education, what will they tell you? They will tell you, and you find that not in Western country, it's even now coming to the Eastern country. It says condomize yourself. That means when you're having sex, condomize. Means no problem, you can have illicit sex, you can have sex with a girlfriend, boyfriend, no problem, but condomize. Use condom. It doesn't say that zina is haram. It doesn't say that fornication is haram or adultery is haram. It gives you, it shows you a way how to protect your haram. Instead of teaching in schools that the young girls and boys should not have sex, you should not give girlfriend, boyfriend, they teach you no problem. It's good, but condomize yourself, use condom.